shit right here. Oh, there it is right there. It's kind of crazy sometimes. I think like how close it is for me to get up to a place that makes me feel like I'm so far away. You know what I mean? Probably like a 30-minute drive and I'm up here. It's kind of crazy. See, originally I wanted to go that way, but if you go that way, man, that's like the north facing, well, it's not north, that's more like west, but the sun doesn't really hit that side. So in order for you to hike that side, you got to go through all that mess of snow. I started going that way yesterday, walked about 300 feet and turned around. It wasn't worth it for me. But pretty crazy. Beautiful views. There's like a, I don't know if that's like Silverwood Lake out there. There's a body of water. I don't know if you could pick it up, but probably not. But I think that might be Silverwood Lake.